Next, one of the question from simplification chapter. See the question. Square root of 768 minus square root of 48 divided by 4 root 3 minus 2 root 75 minus square root of 27 plus square root of 507. So, this is the question. What is the answer? How can we do this problem easily? Now, see the question. In question, square root of 768 you know, you don't know. At that time, choose the smaller value. Here in square root of 3 is compared to all square root of values, the smaller square root is root 3. Now divide 3 with 768. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. How can we write square root of 768? 3 into 256. Split square root of 768. 256 into 3 minus same 48 is divided with 3. 48 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. So, we can write square root of 48 3 into 16 divided by, write the 4 root 3 as it is minus 2. So, 75 is again divided with 3. How many times? 25 3s are. That means in the place of 75 you have to write 3 into 25 minus 27. 27 divided with 3. 3 9s are 27. So, in the place of 27 you have to write 3 into 9. 3 into 9. Next, what is the next value? 507. 507 divide with 3. How many times? 3 6s are 18. 3 9s are 27. That means plus square root of 3 into 169. Okay na? Now observe all the terms. Shown first, how can you write? Root 3 into 256. Root 3 into 256. Okay na? Separate chain. Root 3. Root 256 how much? 16. 16 16s are 256. Same here. Root 3 into root 16 how much? 4. Root 16 how much? 4. Now 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3 root 25 how much? 5. Root 25 how much? 5. Root 25 how much? 5 minus root 3 into root 9 how much? Root 9 3 plus root 3 into root 169 how much? 13. Root 169 13. Observe cheste chudandi. Here root 3 is common in numerator. What is the remaining term? Root 16 minus 4 in denominator. Now root 3 common. 4 minus root 3 common just the remaining terms 2 into 5 minus, here the remaining term 3, here the remaining term plus 30. Here root 3 cancel. 16 minus 4, how much? 12. By 4 minus 2 5s are 10 minus 3 plus 13. That equal to 12 divided by 4. ఇక్కడ plus 4 plus 13. How much? 17. Minus 10 minus 3 minus 13. So percentages, one of the model is 50% of 6,800. 50% of 6,800 equal to how much? We have two methods. One is normal method and shortcut method. First do this problem in normal method. In normal method, 50% of 6,800. 50% means divided by 100, of means into 6,800. 0 0 0 0 cancel. What is the remaining term? 50 into 68. 50 into 68. 3,400. So this is the normal method. In shortcut method, see the question. 50% of 6,800 equal to how much అంటున్నాడు. First this number take it a 100% equal to 6,800. 100% equal to 6,800. 50% means half of the 100. Same like that right side, half of the 6,800. Half of the 6,800 how much? 3,400. 50% equal to 3,400. Another model from percentage is 36% of 50 equal to how much? In previous sum 50% of 3,600 like that. Ala round figure unte we can calculate easily. But here 36% of 50 equal to how much antunnadu? 36% of 50 equal to how much? See the question. 36% of 50 equal to, we can write this total question 50% of 36. Why? See the formula. X percentage of y equal to y percentage of x. This is the formula. By using this formula, we can write the question like this. Okay, now 36% of 50, we can write 50% of 36. For example, just assume this is x, this is y. Now y percentage, that means 50% of x means 36. Okay, now ఇప్పుడు 36% of 50 equal to 50% of 36. 50% of 36 how much? 100% of 36. 100% equal to 36. 50% means of 36 lo of 18. So what is the answer? 18. 18 is the answer. లేదు నాకు షార్ట్ కట్ తెలియదు అనుకుంటే 50% of 36. 50 percentage means by 100 into 36. 0 0. 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 18 2s are 36. So this is the normal method, this is the shortcut method. So the answer is 18. Next question from simple interest is, Ramu given 2000 rupees to his friend at rate of interest 5% per annum. How much interest he will get after 24 months? ఏం లేదు, రాము అనే పర్సన్ తన ఫ్రెండ్కి 2000 రూపీస్. ఫస్ట్ సీ ద నార్మల్ మెథడ్. సో నార్మల్ మెథడ్, ఫస్ట్ నార్మల్ మెథడ్లో చేస్తే ఎలా చేయొచ్చు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. సో రాము గివెన్ 2000 రూపీస్. హియర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees at rate of interest. Rate of interest is represented as R. How much? 5%. Next, time. Here time is given or not? Yes. Time is given. How much? 24 months. So 24 months means how many years? 2 years. Better to convert months into years, because simple interest అనేది per every year కి మనం find out చేస్తాం. So in the question the time is given in months, so better to convert months into years. Already we know 1 year equal to 12 months, 24 months equal to 2 years. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Substitute all the values in the formula. P equal to how much? 2000 into rate of interest 5, time 24 months are 2 years, 2 years divided by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. What are the remaining terms? 20 into 5 into 2. 25s are 100, 100 2s are 200 rupees. He will get after 24 months 200 rupees extra. This is simple interest. Okay na? Total 200 plus 2000, total 2200 rupees he will get after 24 months. That is the amount. How much interest he will get after 24 months? 200 rupees interest he will get. So same question, how can we do this problem in shortcut method? In shortcut method, how can we do this problem? Let us see. Here amount equal to how much? 2000 rupees. Rate of interest 5%. T equal to 24 months means 2 years. Here చూడండి, first year P into R. P means 2000 into 5%. 2000 into 5 by 100. 0 0 0 0, total 100. For first year 100 rupees interest he will get. Next year same P into R. 2000 into 5%. 2000 into 5 by 100. 100 plus 100, total how much amount he will get after 2 years? 200 rupees interest he will get. This is the shortcut method.